Hi everyone, my name is Samantha Mejia and I'm a Child Life Student Assistant at the UC Davis Mind Institute. For today's Family Time weekly video, we're going to be learning how to do an emotion labeling octopus. This is a really great craft for children or individuals who are kind of needing assistance with either labeling their emotions or kind of learning how to externalize their emotions or communicate those emotions with people around them. So as you can see here, we have our octopus and we have our kind of changing emotions. So this can be something that's really fun and useful. So I hope you stick around and learn how to make one.